How to start investing when you don't know where to start. You might be earning well. You might have money saved up, but your money is just sitting there doing absolutely nothing. And it should be working for you because the only way to secure your future and have that financial freedom you desire is your money must be invested. Okay, must be invested in assets that can grow for you and provide for you when you choose to no longer work for money. And the most expensive thing you'll ever do to your money and to yourself is wait. You don't become wealthy and then invest. You become wealthy because you have invested. That's why you are the wealthy person. People will look at you and be like, I want what she has because you started this while everybody else was waiting to get going. Okay? Most women wait because they think they need more money first and gets them into that work harder kind of mentality. And that is a myth that keeps you stuck. Nobody has taught us how to invest. We're taught to work hard and save and wait for our day. Okay? But nobody said, here's how to make your money grow. And the sooner you start thinking and operating that way, the sooner you'll be in a totally different place with money. Like, that's why investing still feels confusing to people. Not because you're not smart enough, because no one's ever given you a straightforward plan of how to do this and how to make it work for you. So here's my 3 tips. 1, start before you're ready. You'll never feel 100% ready. The best time to start was yesterday. The next best time to start is today. Okay. Wealthy women take action. Anyway, so start when you're not ready. Anybody that's ever achieved anything worthwhile didn't start like they don't wait till the sun shines the right way before they go make their life work. The only way you learn how to invest is by putting yourself in there, dipping your toes, coming back and asking the questions you need to ask to know how to move forward. So you start when you feel you're not ready. Okay, that's going to be a game changer for you to show up in life. So start before you feel ready to start. Number 2, know exactly what you're investing in and why you're doing it the way you're doing it. Okay, I invest through index trackers. Okay, it is a smart way that you can take care of your money so that no matter what goes on in the world, Trump's and tariffs and the Ukraine war and credit crisis, COVID, property crash, all the things that go on in the world, right? You want to have your wealth creation set up that no matter what happens, you are taken care of. So a great place to start is putting your foundation. Your foundations are your index trackers. I picked them before I had the income to buy them, and that's a bit of a game changer as well. So when the money was there, I knew exactly what to invest in and how to go about it. So no hesitation, no guessing. And the way I teach people to invest is a foundational method that's been around for hundreds of years. And I think that's important to say. I'm talking about investing in index trackers in a very in a way that's been around for years and years and years. And I think that's really important. And then you follow a rinse and repeat system. Okay. So it isn't about getting lucky. It's a simple system you repeat consistently that allows your money to grow and to build real wealth, because there's 3 factors that affect your ability to create wealth. The amount you're putting towards it, the time you allow that money to grow so that it can compound, and the third piece is the rate of return. So how hard that money's working for you. So in order to allow them to work for you, so compounding can do its thing, the sooner you get going, the sooner you're the person that has the wealth and the freedom. Okay. Suzanne worked with me. She had 25,000 sitting in savings, 40 years of age, a great saver, absolutely terrified of investing, didn't know how to go about it. Once she learned how to put it to work and how to do it in the right way, structured way, she took off, now well on her target to reach financial freedom. Helen, in a fantastic corporate job. Well, I don't know if any corporate job's fantastic, but making good money, right? So in 2 weeks of working together, She knew her financial freedom number, her timeline to get there, and exactly how to make it happen. She's now investing £500 per month, and we freed up 32,000 from other places put towards her investment. Someone like that is going to change their life, and it's more doable than you believe it is right now when you're watching this. And it's not because she earned more, it's because she learned the skill. Okay. Here's where people go wrong. They're guessing what to invest in and hoping for the best. Following random tips from social media. Well, I'm on social media now, but anyway. um, Following tips from social media or friends who aren't qualified. So really, really important that you are getting your advice from somebody who is qualified and knows what the hell they're talking about. Okay. Dipping in and out with no real strategy and not knowing what you actually have in place. Maybe you have a pension from work and things like that, but you don't actually know whether that's actually going to provide for you. So that's really important as well. Believing you need more money before you start, that is a BS story you're telling yourself. And the biggest one is waiting for the right time. The right time never comes. Starting is what creates the right time, because the more you get going, the more you develop your skills, because you are your greatest assets. How you show up behind the thing you do is what's going to change your circumstances. So if any of this is landing with you, if you're watching this thinking, that's me, I know I need to do this, but I just don't know how, I can help you. I run a program called The Confident Investor, where I walk you through everything step by step. You'll pick your 5 trackers, you'll know your exact financial freedom, you'll be fully set up, invested with confidence. No jargon, no overwhelm, just a clear plan and me beside you making this happen. So if this excites you, drop me a message, comment below, the Confident Investor below, and I'll send you everything you need to know. Those that don't act on this, and if you don't start, you'll keep earning, you'll keep saving, your money will keep sitting there. Another year will pass, nothing grows, nothing builds underneath that. So every week you're not invested is a week your money is sitting there doing nothing when it could have been growing for you. If you found this helpful, by all means, subscribe, follow me here, and share with women who need to hear this. And if you're ready to stop guessing and start investing with confidence, comment Confident Investor below, or check the link in the description, and I'll get you everything you need. Your money should be working as hard as you do. Let's make that happen for you.